Effective home remedies for bruises. Bruises are common. Children stumble and fall all the time, starting with their first steps. They run, they fall, they play, they get bruises. Most children are rather proud of them and display those blue-black bruises turning to yellow-purple like a badges of honor. As adults, we are too busy to be careful. Some bruises require as grown-ups are minor, some are not. Not all hurt and can speedily and easily be done away with. Vinegar. Vinegar, when mixed with water, forms an effective solution that increases blood flow and aids the healing process. Applying this mixture on the bruised area allows the blood that has gathered below the skin to circulate and prevents blood spots. Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps relax the muscle tissue and reduces the swelling. It is easily absorbed into the body where it reaches and damages tissue and relieves soreness. Add plenty of Epsom salt to a mug of hot water and dip a cotton ball in it. Remove the excess water from the cotton and apply it to the inflamed skin. Arnica oil. One of the most popular home remedies for minor bruises and cuts is arnica. Arnica prevents infections, reduces swelling, and if regularly applied, speeds up the healing process to a great extent. Apply this 2 to 3 times a day. Toothpaste. The toothpaste helps in breaking up the clot and increasing blood flow to the bruised area. You will notice a lighter bruise mark in one night. It also helps to reduce the swelling. Apply this every night for 2 to 3 days. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a very popular herb when it comes to healing contusions and cuts. Applying the extract to this herb heals wounds and reduces swelling. A bath with witch hazel can also greatly induce healing. Rub this 2 or 3 times a day.